about to give them what they want. I don't think they're ready for this though. Beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode.
What's good, YouTube? You know who it is. Chris Jones, representing Pump Chasers. So check it out, fam. The other day, I trained with a couple of friends. Now they're prepping for a show. They're going for their IFBB Pro cards. I've already met Derrione Hill in the past. So I trained with Derrione Hill and Spoon, had a great workout, and I had a great time. Their show is about 3 weeks away, so I'll try to get another video as well. Maybe next time I'll do a push day. They've been doing push-pull legs lately, so I'll try to jump in on a push day with them, okay? And one more thing, you already know, this is the holiday season, Black Friday sale season. Be sure to go down to TigerFitness.com, TigerFitness.com, and support Pump Chaser subs. Trust and believe, we got some great things coming in the future. We got some things going on behind the scenes, but trust and believe, we got some things coming in the future. And also, go to Beastmode316.com if you want that coaching. If you want one of my downloadable programs and meal plans, fuck with me! Fuck with me! Anyway, here's the video, all right?
There we go.
Come on.
Big man.
Let's work. Let's work.
Yes, sir.
Come on. Come on. Come on, Beast Mode. All right, homies and homies, let's go ahead and run through this workout. This is a pull workout, and we started off with some upper mid-back rows. Now, this exercise equipment is by a company called Mega Mass. Shout outs to them. I like that right there. That was nice. That was nice. I usually use dumbbells when I do shit like that, but that felt nice. So here we are doing the hammer strength. We're focusing on the upper back. So we're grabbing it on the outside and we're really connecting with the elbow, really pulling that elbow back. And we're really trying to hit the upper back, really that upper lat, guys. Infraspinatus, a little bit of real delt in there. If you really connect, fam, I'm telling you, you can feel it all throughout that area, which is why we're doing it one arm at a time. I typically do these 2 arm at a time, but doing it 1 arm at a time felt great. Here we are doing some more rows for the hoes.
Good shit. There you go. Oh, Chris. There we go. There we go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. A little too late. Big back. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yes, sir.
And if you rewind the video, notice I took my time before I started pulling. So many people overlook having their spine stable first. A stable spine will give you better contractions, okay? So here we are doing pull downs, wide grip. This is a pull day, so we will be throwing in a little bit of biceps at the end. Speaking of biceps, look at Spoon. Biceps popping through the screen. He's getting ready for a show, so you know he's looking lean. So here we are doing some pull downs, straight on pull downs. We're using the easy curl bar, and we're going with the underhand grip. Okay, as you see, Spoon got the tank top on. The pump was too good to keep to himself, so he decided to share with the crowd, to share with the audience. They got a show coming up, fam. They're like 3 weeks out, so you know, be looking out. I'll be going to that show, okay? So stay tuned for some content, all right? Be sure to tap with me on Instagram. If I don't do a video, at the very least, I'll post in my stories when I go to the show, okay? Well, anyway, fam, be sure to comment below. Let me know what y'all think about the video. I'll try to get another workout with them, maybe make it a push day, okay? Thank you guys for the support and much love.
We need a moment of silence before we fuck up these weights.